If you're looking to make money in September, here's exactly what I would do right now. So in this podcast, I am going to be sharing with you 3 money generating activities that you could do to increase your traffic and your leads in your business. So let's start with number 1, which is friends and family. Now, I know you probably like, but Precious, they don't pay. They don't got no money. I get it. I want you to kind of think of this different though. When you are just starting out, your main thing is you're looking to build a portfolio. You're looking to actually have the social proof so it shows people that you know exactly what you're doing, right? And you're good at it. So you're going to take this time to really leverage friends and family that may be having an event coming up that need draping or would like draping. Now, if they gonna pay, let them pay. But if that is not the case or it's not feasible at the moment, you want to utilize this opportunity to start building a mock event. And I know what we do is very labor intensive, but guys, this is a part of taking your business serious and really positioning you in a marketplace to be visible by the people that ultimately is going to pay what you want them to pay. So I want you to kind of just know you got to take one for the team if you're not going to get paid, but go all out. Like, don't skimp, don't half-ass it, like really go all out, because this is building your portfolio. So if they have an event this month, reach out to them, find out who does. Trust and believe, we party all the time. Someone is having something where you can create some kind of backdrop and really go all out to build your portfolio. So guys, even with mock-ups, you guys hear me say often, you still want to make sure it's a win-win, because it is labor intensive. And one of the ways that you can actually win when you're working with friends and family is by asking for exchange of high quality photos or videography by an actual professional. This is not where you want to do the iPhone camera and the phone pics, because you're really trying to position yourself as an authority in the marketplace. So you definitely want high quality photos or videos of you actually doing the thing, because that's what people want to see. And that is definitely worth, leveraging your work or actually providing your charitable donation to the event, because you're getting this in return. Now we have number 2, guys. And number 2 is going to be really leveraging the holiday. It is October approaching. And guess what? This is the perfect time for you to leverage Fall Festival or Halloween. Now, the beauty about Halloween is, people have parties and some of them go all out, but this is like something that you can kind of get in and create drapery for things that are different, right? This is a part of those holidays that are not your norm when it comes to draping or when it comes to backdrop. So this is your time to really execute, because guess what? Can you imagine someone having a Halloween party or a fall festival and then your scroll stopping backdrop stops them in their tracks? You know what's going to happen? Everybody's going to want the same exact thing, right? So this is a good way for you to kind of set the trend, set the tone, to let people realize, not only put some respect on the draping, but also come to you, because you was the one that executed that actual backdrop. So the easiest way to command the attention of people that's going to celebrate is by actually doing the mock-up yourself. Go full throttle, create the mock-up. Not only creating the mock-up though, you want to take videos of you actually doing the thing. Video content is like the biggest thing right now. So you want to maximize that opportunity. And then when you're done creating your content and creating the mock-up, you want to go post this. You want to post the videos as well as your images of the mock-up. And then you want to call people out. You want to yell out to them, hey, who is having an upcoming event and would love to have this at their event? I'm trying to tell you, one, people love being different, and people love having things that people talk about. Every event that we drape or conference that we drape, people are talking about the draping for months at end, right? So this is your opportunity to really shine and also grow your portfolio in the process, not to mention bring in some extra income. And that brings us to our final one, guys, and that's just simply pitch your services. Now, for me, email marketing has worked tremendously great in the beginning and even up until now in my business. So what better way to really increase some income by telling people what it is that you have, not to mention also discounting it or give them some sort of reason why they need to act now. So email pitching works wonders, but you have to have an email list, right? So if you don't know what to say in the email pitch, don't worry. Guess what? We got you. I have a template that's down in the description, completely yours for free, just because you watch this entire podcast. So with this template, guys, guess what? It's nothing for you to think about. All you got to do is plug and play what it is you do in your business information, send it out to your email list, and then and just watch the money roll in. It's just that simple. So there you have it, guys. I hope you found this to be helpful, which is my top 3 September cash injections. This is an easy way for you to infuse some income into your business, but you don't have to leave the party yet. Make sure you subscribe to this channel so you can see other episodes just like this to help your business get further, faster. I'm Precious Stevens of the Posh Academy, signing off.